In today's business world, things are changing. To achieve real success, it's not necessarily about who's working the hardest. It's about who's working the smartest. Working smart. We want to help empower our people, empower you to not only work smart, but to make a real difference through real business enablement, enabling you to unleash your full potential and help take Transnet into a new era. The key to working smart means understanding business needs, anticipating and solving problems before they happen, being proactive rather than reactive when it comes to servicing our internal customers, working smart, smartphones, smart cards, and now the smart world. Introducing EIMS, Enterprise Information Management Services, a key enabler and partner for the success of the market demand strategy of Transnet. The EIMS mission is the operational efficiency of the port, rail, and pipeline value chain. How is this delivered? With innovation, technology, optimized business processes, and real-time information for decision-making. The EIMS department leads ICT strategic direction across the group, implements an agile business architecture model, and strengthens IT governance. The result is improved customer service and delivery, the ability to implement projects and programs in an agreed scope, time, and cost. We'll achieve this by building a talented EIMS department. But maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. The best way to introduce you to our division is to describe our 7 departments one by one. Strategy and architecture. Information and IT risk, security, governance, and compliance. Service delivery. Project Management Office, the Office of the Head of EIMS, Business Process Management, and Corporate Center IMS. Strategy. It's often the difference between winning and losing. Would you want to rush out onto the playing field to meet your opponent without a game plan? Or build state-of-the-art IT systems without a blueprint, without using the right tools? This is what we do. We use information obtained through engagements with our customers, turn it into relevant business intelligence, and develop an IT strategy that provides the blueprint for meeting our customers' needs smartly. Technology is a tool, and we make that tool function optimally. Strategic solutions are developed by identifying correct technology standards, understanding the specific business need, choosing the ideal technology to ensure the best possible solutions, and then applying it. This creates the strategy and business architecture, pure synergy, allowing business and technology to align with Transnet's market demand strategy. This strategy is not about building one system, rather think of developing and managing an entire integrated infrastructure from start to finish. Having a strategy is vital. It provides the framework and direction for us. All aboard! Moving on to the next department, Information, Risk, Security, Governance, and Compliance. This critical department ensures that Transnet information and supporting IT systems are protected and also guides the business in respect of governance practices that optimize and safeguard our systems. What is IRSGC? It's thinking ahead, making sure the entire Transnet environment is stable, and being able to identify and assess potential risks with the view of mitigating these risks. Because if you're not keeping your eye on the tracks, anticipating potential risks and being proactive, all it takes is a small glitch to go unnoticed, a small component that's been overlooked, and it's... How do you keep your eye on the tracks? That's where IRSGC comes in. It means setting the standard for Transnet, providing guidance to allay risks through an early warning system and continuous monitoring. It means frameworks and processes that can be implemented and adhered to. Because when the highest standards are met and prepared for, no challenge is too great, no problem is too high. Our motto? Be prepared. Are we fully prepared? You can bet on it. And in the unlikely event a problem does occur, thanks to info and IT security, there are backup systems, servers, and fail-safe redundancy areas ensuring the network remains stable. Because you never know what new risk is waiting around the corner. Like a new and nasty little virus. Or if a document needs to be kept confidential. Or if a laptop is unable to log in. All the possible things other people take for granted with computers, networks, and software that simply work. At Transnet, we never take things for granted. We are always secure and protected. As the saying goes, if you don't know where you're going, you'll never get there. We know where we're going, how we're going to get there, and what is needed to safeguard the continued success of Transnet. On a day-to-day basis, Transnet operates some of the longest trains in the world. Thousands of containers and millions of liters of gas and fuel move through Transnet's logistics network. Whether it's monitoring the flow of goods, assessing potential problems, or providing solutions to problems when they occur, or even expert technicians to fix them, we're about service. One, please. Which brings us to the third function, service delivery. Thank you very much. This is us in action, backed by a comprehensive delivery framework that's relevant and benchmarked. The Service Delivery Department is responsible for ensuring a smooth delivery of IT services in support of the Transnet business. Once the network is built, it must be kept up to date, making sure that every aspect is suited to the needs of the operating divisions. That's where we excel. We keep refining, discovering, putting into practice system improvements to enable our clients to keep moving. Like a high-powered engine running at maximum efficiency, we make sure the network functions optimally and keeps running at all costs. Successful service delivery is ensured thanks to three key areas. First, service management and discipline. This is how we manage IT services, how we deal with problems and changes to the environment quickly and efficiently. The second key area is infrastructure and networks. With these, we make sure the system is running at maximum capacity. Our databases, servers, networks, and advanced infrastructure are the foundations of all IT services. We provide technological solutions to any kind of need, requirement, or problem. And finally, the third area of service delivery. Collaboration and communication technologies. This vast network of systems and services helps to connect our people and optimizes how they interact with each other. From video and voice conferencing to other advanced technologies, IT services propel Transnet towards the future. Think of it as a roadmap. Every aspect of the project's journey is taken into consideration. Work management, timeframes, budgets. Just imagine how many different skills and people need to work together in combined excellence, each making their own contribution, fitting together seamlessly. Each part, no matter how small, vital to the overall success. Here we are at the fourth department, the PMO, the Project Management Office, our very own PMO Nerve Center. PMO executes the projects from start to finish. Governance makes sure that each project supports the Transnet business strategy. It's our mechanism to make sure things are done correctly. The PMO makes sure a project complies with standards of governance and regulations. It helps all involved to align and move together. Maybe we should wait and come back later. I hear they're overseeing an exciting new service for Transnet. The Office of the Head of EIMS is the hub of it all, driving the day-to-day operations of managing information, communication and people, keeping everything ticking over and the foundation for it all working together. This department has 4 key functions. EIMS Vendor and Contract Management, EIMS Procurement Management, EIMS Financial Management, and EIMS Training and Change Management. The department acquires and collates all information about our division's progress operationally and financially and gets that information to the relevant parties. This includes updates on high-profile projects and reporting to management and stakeholders. And that's only the beginning. Information translates into knowledge. And we're proud to say that with the information now at our disposal, we know exactly what we require and what it should cost. When a new project is sent out for tender, understanding market research trends and a thorough knowledge of best practice gives Transnet the competitive advantage. By simply connecting to the powerful network database, Transnet can be assured that when it comes to fulfilling all tender requirements, we'll get the best suppliers, the best equipment and the best people at the right price. Financial management ensures expenditure is controlled and aligned to budget, with the view of ultimately supporting the business at a competitive cost. Change management and training focuses on getting the right people, then gets our teams to be high-performing through training and unique change management interventions. So, what does the future hold for us and business processes in general? Who can say? But rest assured that we are already thinking ahead, planning and developing 5 years, 10 years from now. This is what the Business Process Management Excellence function does. It ensures a seamless business process integration and governance across the Transnet value chain. This holds the key to maintaining our reputation as an industry leader and making sure we stay at the top of our game. At this very moment, Transnet operations across the operating divisions are contemplating what business processes need to be refined, what potential risks may need to be considered, and what new ideas and resources will be needed as the Transnet business grows. Thanks to the Enterprise Information Management Services, we, all of us at Transnet, have the tools to work smarter than ever before. The right technologies and procedures are fundamental. But when it comes down to it, IT is about the right people. It's about the human network. EIMS Corporate Center creates this potential by a stable and responsive IT environment, ensuring we're audit compliant, implementing suitable backup and disaster recovery processes and systems, and most importantly, giving friendly and efficient user support. Are we up for the challenge? To be the gateway to value-adding ICT solutions 5 years, 10 years from now. You can bet on it. EIMS, Enterprise Information Management Services. What is our division's 5-year, make that 10-year mission? To explore, innovate, and implement new technologies, to deliver projects and services second to none, to continually improve and seek out strategic excellence as a progressive industry leader, to boldly go where no other logistics transport company has gone before.